Hey everyone, in this tutorial I will show you how to fix Game Bar not working in Windows 11. So, you're pressing Windows plus G, and nothing happens? Or maybe your Game Bar won't record your gameplay no matter what you try. Don't worry, you're not alone. In this video, I'm going to show you 5 quick and proven fixes to get your Xbox Game Bar working perfectly again in Windows 11. Whether it's not opening, not recording, or missing altogether. Let's jump straight into it. First, let's make sure the Xbox Game Bar is actually turned on. Go to Settings, click Gaming, then Box Game Bar. Now, toggle Open Xbox Game Bar using this button on a controller, on. You can also press Windows plus G to check if it opens now. Now click Apps from Setting, then click Installed Apps. Scroll down and find Xbox, then click from right-hand side of 3 dots, click Go to Advanced Options. Next, ensure Game Bar is allowed to run in the background. Go to Settings, then click Apps, then Installed Apps. Search for Xbox Game Bar, click Advanced Options, and under Background App Permissions, select Always. If the Game Bar still doesn't work, repair or reset it. Scroll down, click Repair first. If that doesn't help, click Reset. This reinstalls the app's core files. If the app's missing completely, reinstall it. Right-click on Start, then select Windows PowerShell. Then type this command and press Enter. I have provided the command in descriptions below, just copy and paste it. This removes and reinstalls the Xbox Game Bar from Microsoft Store. Lastly, go to Settings, then click Gaming, then click Game Mode, and make sure it's turned on. Game Mode helps optimize your PC for gaming and ensures Game Bar runs smoothly. And that's it, your Xbox Game Bar should now be working perfectly. And drop a comment saying, "Fixed," below. Thanks for watching.